Yeah, it's a beautiful day, and the sun's shining down. The sky above is clear, not a single cloud around. Life couldn't get much better, sitting on this scenic beach, relaxing and daydreaming, cold beer within my reach. But things are gonna change out there on the horizon. The worst is yet to come, storms they are arising. Rough weather's coming in, far beyond my happy vision. Should I stay or should I go? It's the ultimate decision. Tearing up my weary soul, my whole world is blown apart. What could be left of me? It's the ultimate destruction. I build myself back up, but I'm no good at self-construction. Hurricane Laura, why can't I ignore ya? Blowing through my mind, the memories that I find. Why can't I ignore you? Blowing through my mind, like memories that I find.